Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that data ownership protocol 2 token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, data ownership protocol DOP redefines how personal and financial data is managed on the blockchain. Leveraging zero knowledge proofs, DOP ensures users to maintain control over their data while offering selective transparency. This innovative approach enhances data privacy within the Web3 ecosystem, setting a new standard in blockchain technology. Interoperability is a cornerstone of DOP, allowing seamless integration with existing wallet and decentralized application dApps. User can store assets and control transaction data, selectively disclosing token holdings and historical information as needed. The flexibility is crucial for regulatory compliance and user-friendly experiences. DOP operates on Ethereum Layer 1, providing a robust foundation for its operation. The protocol is designed to be adaptable with continuous upgrades and improvements. Plans for a new vision of the developers SDK highlights DOP's commitment to evolving with the needs of its users and developers. Data ownership protocol 2 token total supply is 19.59 billion and circulating supply is 702.69 million. DOP2 token. DOP2 token is listed on MEXC, Bitmart and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.